gonna roll day 1 of the dodgy gacha. Let's go roll it. So we got a barrier, not bad. It's uncommon, but make sure to subscribe and like, comment, guys. Just tell me if you want of anything of my powers, because I give out daily. Just DM me on Roblox. Just chat with me. Tell me that what do you want.